Mango and Passionfruit Cheesecake Trifle. Start by making the mango jelly. Pour the jelly crystals into a heat-proof bowl, then add 1 cup of boiling water and stir until the crystals have dissolved. Then stir in 1 cup of cold water. Pour the jelly mixture into a large rectangular tray. Place in the fridge for 2 hours or until the jelly just begins to set. Place the cream cheese, sugar and passion fruit pulp in the bowl of an electric mixer. Beat until smooth, then beat in half the cream on low speed until light and fluffy. Place half the jam rolls in the base of a 19 by 21 cm trifle bowl, making sure the cut sides are facing out. Top with half the cream cheese mixture and half the mango. Spoon over half the jelly and pop in the fridge for 1 hour to set. Repeat with the remaining jam rolls, cream cheese mixture, mango and jelly mixture. Return to the fridge for 2 hours or overnight until the jelly is set. Meanwhile, make the almond praline. Start by lining a baking tray with baking paper. Place the sugar and half a cup of water in a small saucepan over low heat. Stir until the sugar dissolves, then increase the heat to medium-high and bring to the boil. Boil without stirring for 5 to 7 minutes or until the sugar is golden. Remove from the heat. Spread the flaked almonds in a thin layer on the lined tray. Pour over the toffee and set aside for 15 minutes to set. Then break the praline into shards. When you're ready to serve, place the remaining cream in the bowl of an electric mixer and beat until firm peaks form. Spoon the cream over the trifle and decorate with extra mango, raspberries and almond praline. This tropical flavoured cheesecake trifle is ideal for summer Christmas celebrations.